Okay. Now here's the pen. It's, you know, it's not a fairly decently sized pen. It's about 3/4 of an inch thick and I don't know, 8 inches long, 6 to 8. 6 inches sounds good. Go with 6. And so here's the LCD screen. You plug in the headphones in the back here. The speakers are here. These two holes in the front and back of the screen are the microphone. And back here is the charging thing. And near the tip is the infrared camera, which is going to basically allow it to do everything. See the button over here, you press it, and it turns on, and it starts up pretty quickly, and it shows you the time. And okay, let's go to the front cover of the notebook here. So basically, if you can see clearly, it's not super clear, but basically they have all these buttons and functions printed here, and you can basically use this as buttons. And then so there's a calculator up here, so if you say you want to find 9 times 9, you just tap them and then you hit equals, and then the pen will print 81. Nifty. So if you want to know the time, you just tap on the time. If you want to know the date, how much battery is left, storage, can't really see, but sorry. So that's cool. So this is on the front and the back cover, as well as they give you a sheet with stickers, so you can basically have these functions wherever. The first couple pages of the notebook are just instructions on how to use the functions of the pen. We'll skip the nitty-gritty for the time being. We'll just give you a demonstration of the basic function of the pen, which is to record, to sync what you've written with recorded audio. So to start recording, you hit this record. There's a series of buttons on the bottom that all have to deal with really the sound of the pen. So I'm going to make sure the volume is up. So I'm going to check that. Okay. And start recording. I hit the record button, and then I'll write, and then well, I'll do it and I'll show you guys. So I hit record. So I'm just writing, and I'm going to talk at the same time, and I cannot write and talk at the same time. This is funny. And I'm pretty sure this is not good grammar. That's okay. So I'm done. I hit stop. Now, what I can do is I can just tap on the text, and this pen will basically say what I was saying when I was writing. So I can just tap here, and I'm going to talk at the same time, and I cannot write and talk at the same time. This is funny. And I'm pretty sure this is not good grammar. That's okay. So I'm done. I hit stop. Awesome. Awesome. So that's the basic function. So all these buttons down here really have to deal with audio playback, and you can jump, bookmarks, times in audio, jump to position, playback speed, volume, etc. Now this little arrow here, that's like the cornerstone of the pen. So if I double tap in the middle, main menu, that gives me basically access to all the functions of the pen, which is nice. Basically, virtually every single accessory that this pen comes with has this at somewhere in the accessory. I can also make one of my own on the paper. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm getting ahead of myself. I should describe this paper. This paper is not ordinary paper. It's there are thousands and thousands of tiny little dots printed on this paper, and the dots are not uniform, so every place on the paper is unique as far as the pattern of dots goes. So that's how the infrared camera knows what's going on. So if I wanted to make one of these, just because I don't have access to one or something, all I have to do is I just draw a horizontal, vertical line, and then double tap quickly in the center. So here we go.
Main menu.
Right? Then I can navigate
Paper replay.
using
Paper replay. Piano. Draw your piano.
using that. So that's very nifty. Well, you've heard piano, I'm assuming, so we'll get into that. The piano function is very, very fun. It's just a cool little thing. You can get into the piano from the main menu, or there's also there's actually my wallet. I don't have my wallet on me, but there's a card that comes with the pen, and on the back of the card is a button you can push for the piano. So you go to piano. So I'm already in the piano, and hit right.
Draw your piano. First, draw 9 vertical lines from left to right.
Alright, 9 vertical lines seems simple enough.
Connect the lines on the top and bottom. Write the letter I. This is your instrument icon. Double tap when you're done. Write the letter R. This is your rhythm tracks icon. Tap the keys to play.
Alright, so now I have my piano. You know, it's... You get the gist. You get the gist. I can also add rhythm. You know, by tapping on the R. Now I can change the instrument.
Vibraphone.
Oh, the pen just crashed. This actually happens a lot. This must be like the third time in 2 days that this thing has crashed. But it starts up really quickly. Hopefully they'll update the software to make this not happen. But, and it only happens with the piano, really. I think it's just complicated. It's more complicated. Anyway, that's the piano function. Okay. So, for instance, there are also such things as quick commands. I don't know all of them, but I'm going to give you an example of one. So, to access it, I go into the main menu.
Main menu.
Alright, and if I just write the word calc, and it says, it basically turns it into calculator mode. And so I just write, say, 9 times 9 equals, and the pen will do it for you. Fun. This is also on the card, which I don't have. This is lovely. But this pen can also translate between languages. So, actually, I already have, I think I've set it to Mandarin right now. And I already did some translating back here, so I'll just show it to you. So there's some words. So if I just tap on a word, translate it and set it into Chinese, which I have it set to. So, you know, this is just some of the basic functions of the pen. There are also some movies that you can view on this tiny little thing, which is kind of useless because this thing is like the smallest screen ever. But yeah, this is the Pulse Smartpen. It's I can definitely see it being super handy. And the thing is, you kind of have to have this paper to do anything, really. So hopefully, I've heard you can print it online and buy it at stores, but I haven't really checked. And the pen's only been out for, you know, this is like the first batch of the pen, so I don't know how widely available this paper is. So I need to look into that. But really, without this paper, this pen is just a pen. and but with the paper it can do a lot, and it's actually really amazing. So I recommend you guys definitely find someone with the pen and play with it.